Throughout history, humankind has pushed the boundaries of possibility. From the breathtaking pyramids of Egypt to the sprawling aqueducts of Rome, ancient engineering marvels have captivated our imagination, standing as testaments to human ingenuity. What secrets lie behind these monumental structures? How did ancient civilizations accomplish feats that still astonish us today? Join me as we embark on a journey through time, exploring the techniques and innovations that enabled our ancestors to create such remarkable edifices. Let's begin with the iconic Great Pyramid of Giza. Built around 2560 BC, this colossal structure remained the tallest man-made building in the world for over 3,800 years. But how did the ancient Egyptians achieve such a monumental task without the advanced machinery we rely on today? The construction of the pyramid involved meticulous planning and organization. It is estimated that around 20,000 to 30,000 laborers worked on this project, not slaves, as often believed, but skilled workers who were well-fed and housed. The Egyptians utilized a form of simple yet effective engineering known as the lever and fulcrum system, allowing them to lift and position massive stone blocks that weighed several tons. They also constructed ramps, which could have been straight or circular, to transport these heavy stones up to the higher levels of the pyramid as it rose. The precise alignment of the pyramid with the cardinal points speaks to their sophisticated understanding of astronomy, as well as their advanced surveying techniques. Moving from Egypt to the ancient city of Rome, we encounter the remarkable Roman aqueducts. These feats of engineering were essential for transporting water over long distances to urban centers, enabling cities to flourish. The Romans mastered the use of arches, which allowed them to create strong and durable structures. Arches distribute weight effectively, enabling aqueducts to span great distances and traverse challenging terrains, including valleys and hills. The most famous of these aqueducts, the Pont du Gard in France, stands as a testament to Roman engineering prowess. Built in the 1st century AD, this aqueduct transported water over 30 miles to the city of Nimes. What's truly fascinating is how the Romans' understanding of hydraulics allowed them to maintain a gentle slope throughout the entire length of the aqueduct. This ensured a consistent flow of water and demonstrates their remarkable skill in combining practicality with architectural beauty. As we continue our exploration, we cannot overlook the ancient Greeks and their monumental temples, particularly the Parthenon in Athens. Completed in 432 BC, this temple dedicated to the goddess Athena is celebrated not only for its grandeur, but also for its architectural innovations. The Parthenon employs a technique known as entasis, which involves a slight curvature of the columns. This optical illusion corrects the appearance of sagging that would occur if the columns were perfectly straight. The Greeks also used advanced mathematical principles in their designs, such as the golden ratio, which contributed to the aesthetic harmony of their structures. The construction of the Parthenon required a remarkable level of precision and collaboration among skilled artisans, masons, and laborers. They utilized a unique system of scaffolding to ensure that the temple was built to exact specifications, revealing their deep understanding of geometry and design. In the Americas, the Inca civilization constructed magnificent structures that have withstood the test of time. The most famous of these is Machu Picchu, an ancient citadel nestled high in the Andes Mountains. The Incas employed a technique known as ashlar masonry, wherein stones were cut to fit together without the use of mortar. This method not only provided exceptional stability, but also allowed structures to withstand earthquakes, a common threat in the region. The Incas' mastery of agriculture and water management is also evident in their terraced farming systems, which maximized arable land on steep mountainsides. Through an intricate network of aqueducts and irrigation channels, they transformed their rugged environment into a thriving agricultural hub. This remarkable feat of engineering speaks to their understanding of hydrology and the importance of sustainable practices. Across the globe, the ancient Chinese civilization also left behind incredible engineering legacies. The Great Wall of China, stretching over 13,000 miles, is a monumental testament to their determination and ingenuity. Construction began as early as the 7th century BC, and various dynasties continued to build and strengthen the wall over centuries. The techniques used to construct the Great Wall varied across regions and time periods. In some places, earth and wood were used, while in others, stone and brick were employed. The wall's design incorporated watchtowers and fortifications, which allowed for effective surveillance and defense against invasions. The sheer scale of this undertaking reveals the organizational capabilities of ancient Chinese society, as thousands of laborers, soldiers, and convicts were mobilized for its construction. As we delve deeper into ancient engineering, we must also consider the techniques employed in the construction of grand palaces and monumental tombs. In ancient Mesopotamia, the ziggurats stand as a powerful symbol of religious devotion and architectural achievement. These stepped structures, like the famous ziggurat of Ur, were built using sun-dried bricks and served as temples dedicated to the gods. The construction of ziggurats required an understanding of materials and environmental conditions. The Mesopotamians often worked with clay and mud, taking advantage of the resources available in their surroundings. The ziggurats' towering height and elaborate design not only demonstrated their engineering skills, but also reflected their cosmology, as these structures were believed to bridge the gap between heaven and earth. In the realm of monumental tombs, the terracotta army in China provides another fascinating look at ancient engineering. Discovered in 1974, this vast underground army was created to accompany the first emperor of China, Qin Shi Huang, in the afterlife. Each of the thousands of life-sized figures was intricately crafted, showcasing the skill of the artisans involved. The construction of this tomb complex required advanced planning and coordination, as well as the use of diverse materials, such as clay, bronze, and stone. One cannot discuss ancient engineering without mentioning the incredible feats of stone carving and construction seen in the temples of Angkor Wat in Cambodia. Built in the 12th century, this immense complex is renowned for its intricate bas-reliefs and towering spires. The construction of Angkor Wat exemplifies the Khmer Empire's architectural prowess and its ability to transform the natural landscape into a sacred space. The Khmer engineers utilized a sophisticated system of canals and reservoirs to manage water resources, which was crucial for sustaining agriculture in the region. This mastery of hydraulic engineering allowed them to support a population that thrived in a challenging environment. The sheer scale and beauty of Angkor Wat continue to inspire awe, serving as a reminder of the ingenuity of ancient civilizations. As we reflect on the techniques behind these monumental structures, it becomes clear that ancient engineering was not merely about construction. It was an interplay of art, science, and spirituality. The legacy of these achievements endures, challenging us to understand the wisdom of our ancestors. Every stone, every arch, and every ramp tells a story of collaboration, innovation, and a deep connection to the world around them. The wonders of ancient engineering remind us that, despite the passage of time, the human spirit remains resilient and inventive. In examining these incredible feats, we are left with more questions than answers. How did they manage such precision without modern technology? What knowledge was lost to time, and what secrets might still be hidden beneath the sands of history? As we marvel at these ancient wonders, let us continue to seek answers, exploring the rich tapestry of human achievement that has shaped our world. So, whether it's the pyramids, aqueducts, temples, or walls, each structure represents a chapter in the story of human civilization. The techniques behind these monumental structures not only reveal the capabilities of our ancestors, but also inspire us to push the boundaries of engineering today. If you enjoyed this journey into the past, don't forget to like and subscribe for more mysterious stories. Hit the bell to never miss an episode.